Meet Chidera. Chidera is automatical gearbox engine engineering. What this lady is doing is marvelous. When I see something like this, it moved me to post this lady. I'm surprised seeing a lady who is doing a mechanic, not only mechanical, she's also doing gearbox. This is what she's specialized on doing. Her name is Chidera. Chidera is based in Aba. Igbo is blessed. Our lady is blessed. So this is also an advice give to other lady out there. Instead of you go and lie down giving man your body, my sister, if you're an Igbo girl, leave akwara. Look for something to do. When people like us see you, we must bring you up here. So my people, please share this video. This our sister is doing a great work. When you come to outside country like Europe, like America and other countries, their women used to do all kinds of work. Anything, any job that a man can do, a woman can do it as well. But you see what she's saying here, that God give her a good husband that understand the nature of her work, and the man help her as well. You can see it. She's married and she's a mechanical engineering. She's also a graduate. So this is a challenge to our ladies. Please look for something out there and do. Start up something. Leave all this hookup. You will give yourself early sickness and die. My people, her name is Chidera. Share this video. I'm going to play you the video for you to watch by your own self how she's doing the work and the question she answered in this video. So shout out to Munyaba.
Okay, God is like me pero we go your company.
About my own oil company. I'm a normal mechanic. I do normal mechanic work apart from this one. I do normal motor mechanic work.
As
like suspension, engine, all those things.
As in a engine.
Yes, I do them.
For your family own your backbone.
Yeah, I have my backbone. I support him name. And they make me courage. But I'm gallery got the machine area mama put.
And he will never complain.
He will not complain now.
Wow. Alright, no be smart, no be smart, and I still me biggest smart for Yaba. Only me, Mamba is a see. When I tell you, I say, Nayana, run about that yours and all carry. Agrubogi na about na your fault. Then not tell you, and tell you.
At the moment,
it's the man. I'm gonna get it.
I'm not going to Chidera or here.
I hear you. Ele haga, but ele hine me.
I'm a
Oh, ele hine aro.
I'm automatic gearbox.
Automatic gearbox. You know, there is this adage that says what a man can do, a woman can do it what?
A woman can manage and do it.
Okay, you believe that everything that a woman can do, you know, you take all of that.
A woman can manage and do it.
Can manage and do it.
Yeah, because we bug around here last.
Here last. Okuga get bully the short.
They have going out last.
Last.
Yes.
I was saying the guy bully short. So tell me, can you image Gamora?
Nothing really. She got that time with passion for
handwork.
Yes.
You want to be a lady boss.
Yeah, not tell me what go when we start. In 1 morning, start tell me for Apple man on all on you. When you got them, give me. I might not see you.
You need it.
No, I need more than.
Well, tell me more about yourself. Tell me more about yourself.
Nothing much to say about myself.
Okay. What you got at school? You're a graduate.
Yeah.
What did you read in school?
I did mechanical engineering.
Oh, no wonder. No wonder. I was saying now, mechanical engineering. So you want to get all on your company.
You're going to come on your company, but I'm not going to.
Okay, God is like me pero we go your company.
About my own oil company.
I don't have. So it was after your school you went to learn the work?
No, even when no school, I'm a normal mechanic. I do normal mechanic work apart from this one. I do normal motor mechanic work.
As
like suspension, engine, all those things.
As in engine.
I do them. So when my IT, I'm gonna Monday time. My first IT or na mechanic workshop, 1 year IT mechanic workshop, free time from school mechanic workshop. So yeah, na part a while. Don't be a gocha, make service. Then I say, me we. Now I believe him to me. Say to me, me pay workshop. Maybe I'm gonna run motor all these things. That's okay, but the way born run automatic gearbox. And we can get check gearbox. Mama, I'm gonna like a born can. All quite him.
That is to say for your family won't be your
backbone. Yeah, I have my backbone. I support with him. And he make me courage. So yeah, for gearbox. Me liquid place. Ogama na batam. So I'm check any for like 1 week. Or na nge meli here no ne. Because I want everyone knows go get say we ga happen here and see and go like 1 week or 2 weeks later. Nge meli here no na John. So ogama check any. We check we no when for like 1 week. From 1 week yeah 1 year. Mama charge yeah.
Yeah, maybe busy on your own.
Yeah, I'm busy on my own. Wow. Yes.
Wow. So how do you cope with your family? You're married, right?
Yeah, I'm married.
So how do you cope with the work and your family?
I'm okay, but Chineke gospel make them did understand. But I'm gallery got the mission area mop.
And he will never complain.
He will not complain now.
Wow.
But I'm gallery. I'll do more those at them. You tell me don't worry, you do the washing, you take the washing. Oh, we can't come, sir.
Wow.
Just by grace, sir.
By grace of God.
Yeah, it's only a big understanding.
Wow.
Because I won't understand.
Wow. So on your own, how many years?
My own, let's say a year and I'm not on labor.
Well,
as my own boss, yes.
Your own boss. So it's all mother since that time.
And when they also one name when I can ever.
What you want negi?
Yeah, what the
go funda. And how are you?
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you have watched that great work our sister is doing here. And this is also encouragement to our ladies, the Biafran ladies, the Igbo ladies, the all Biafra tribe ladies. Please let us leave a prostitution and look for something very good and be doing. Learn something. You can learn any handwork. As well as that handwork can bring food in your table. That handwork, let me tell you, if you are a woman that you get handwork you are doing, maybe it's a work that a man do is very favorable to you because people want to see you doing the work. People, like I would say in Nigeria now, in Africa, let me say in Biafra, in Igbo land, it will be a thing of surprise to everybody. So grab this opportunity. If you're a woman out there, grab this opportunity and start learn that work that is unique, that is not be doing by all women. You will see that people want to patronize you because woman doing this kind of work, they want to see you doing it and they want you. From there you make name and also make money out of it and put food in your table out of it. So go in every day meeting people you don't know. My dear, if I say no, they fear, they fit buy you for inside hotel, they fit buy you for anywhere. So I'm advising our women to immediately look for something else to do instead of standing in the road. I know most of you may not like this video, but for those of you who like the video, please share them and see the good work where this our sister they do. My sister, yeah, I know say you go see this video. The encouragement where I go give you now, keep doing this thing you are doing. Your husband will be proud of you. Even your father, your family will be proud of you. And we, as a Biafra, we are proud of you. Igbos are proud of you. Guys, please share this video. Thank you so much for watching. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. In case of you want to be seeing video like this. Also, do not forget to follow this our brother Igbo Onyaba. So, guys, share this video and make sure say you subscribe to this channel for more updates as it dey hot. And don't forget to drop your own opinion or anything where you get to tell this our sister, may drop her for inside comment section as it dey happen. Thank you so much for watching.